Art is an expression of the artist's mind. What they see and feel, they express. But in commercial design, the goal is clarity. Design principles bring consistency and make the message clear. That's why principle-based designs are preferred over abstract ones. They just work better. Before we dive into the principles, let's clarify one thing. What is the actual goal of graphic design? It's not just about making things look pretty. The goal of graphic design is to communicate an idea, and that idea includes both thoughts and feelings. Good design doesn't just deliver information, it also shapes how people feel about that information. Think about a charity poster. It's not just telling you, donate now. It's trying to make you feel empathy, urgency, or hope. So every color, font, and layout choice should support both the message and the emotion behind it. Contrast makes a design stand out by using differences in weight, size, or color. A bold style creates impact, while a subtle style gives a refined feel. That difference helps the message get noticed instantly. Notice how the strong color contrast on the left creates clarity and helps the reader understand the message faster. The high contrast makes the text easier to read and more visually powerful. Balance is about distributing visual weight in your design. There are two main types. Symmetrical balance, where both sides are evenly matched. Asymmetrical balance, where different elements still feel visually equal. For example, a large image on one side can be balanced by smaller text elements on the other. Hierarchy tells the viewer where to look first. Think of it like a roadmap. The most important element should stand out the most. Then comes the secondary information. For example, a headline should be larger than body text, guiding the viewer step by step. Alignment keeps your design organized. Nothing should feel randomly placed. Everything should visually connect through alignment, left, center, or right. Good alignment makes your design feel clean and professional instantly. Proximity is about grouping related elements together. Items that belong together should be placed close to each other. Unrelated elements should be spaced apart. This helps viewers quickly understand the structure of your design.